Imagine your emails replying themselves, your videos editing automatically, and your calendar scheduling meetings before you even ask. Welcome to 2025, where AI is rapidly replacing your favorite apps. This isn't just about upgrades, it's a total shift in how we use technology. The apps you know are facing smarter, faster, and more integrated AI competitors. This is the new reality, and it's accelerating fast. Shahab here from ShahabIT, and today, I'm breaking down 5 next-gen AI tools that are changing everything. These aren't gimmicks, they're transforming how we work, create, and think. Some of the biggest names in software are at risk of being replaced. We'll look at what these tools do, who they're for, and which classic apps they're coming for. Let's dive in, because the last one on this list is truly next level. Let's start with presentations. For years, making slides meant hours in PowerPoint or Canva, wrestling with design and content. Gamma AI changes all that. Give it a prompt and it generates a polished, fully designed presentation in seconds. No more blank slides or endless formatting. I tested it. Create a presentation on 5G's impact on IoT. In 2 seconds, Gamma outlined the structure, intro, what is 5G, what is IoT, real-world uses, challenges, and conclusion. Then it filled in each slide with clear content, relevant images, and a cohesive design. The result? A professional 12-slide deck, 85% ready to go, in under a minute. Sure, you might tweak the text or add data, but the heavy lifting, structure, design, draft, is done. You can customize everything, rewrite text, swap images, or change the theme with one click. Gamma's card-based system makes editing intuitive and fast. For students, it means no more all-nighters. For marketers, sales decks in minutes. For IT pros, technical presentations without design headaches. The interface is clean and simple, no steep learning curve. Compared to PowerPoint or even Canva, Gamma feels like an intelligent partner, not just a tool. It anticipates your needs and delivers. Gamma doesn't just simplify design, it generates both content and visuals, a huge leap forward. For anyone who creates presentations, this is a workflow revolution. The days of painstakingly crafting each slide are numbered. This is the future of sharing ideas, and it's already here. Gamma AI is easily one of the most practical AI tools I've tested this year. If you make presentations, you need to try it. It's not just a new app, it's a new way to work. The time savings are massive. You'll wonder how you ever did it the old way. Gamma is the presentation killer. It's fast, flexible, and shockingly good. The only question, how long until everyone else catches up? If you want to work smarter, not harder, Gamma is the tool to beat. Presentations will never be the same. The future is here, and it's automated. Next up, AI that changes how you search. Let's talk search. Google's been king for decades, but the experience is dated. 10 blue links, ads, and lots of clicking. Perplexity AI is different. It's not a search engine, it's an answer engine. You ask a question, and it gives you a direct, concise answer. No more sifting through links. It combines web search with AI summarization so you get the best of both worlds. For example, what's the difference between M3, M3 Pro, and M3 Max chips? Perplexity reads the web, summarizes the info, and cites its sources. Those footnotes link straight to the articles it used, so you can check the facts yourself. This is huge for credibility and research. Students, professionals, anyone doing real research, this saves hours. You can even ask follow-up questions and it keeps the context. Its focus feature lets you search only academic papers, YouTube, Reddit, or more, so you get exactly what you need. The interface is clean and distraction-free. No ads, no clutter, just answers. For quick facts, Google is still faster. But for real research, Perplexity is my new default. It's always up to date, pulling info from the live web. ChatGPT is great for creative tasks, but its knowledge can be outdated. Perplexity is always current. It's a game changer for anyone who values accuracy and efficiency. This isn't just a better search, it's a new way to understand information. If you do any research, you need to try Perplexity. It's the future of search, and it's here now. No more homework assignments, just answers. Perplexity is shifting the paradigm from searching to understanding. It's fast, credible, and incredibly useful. The days of endless clicking are over. Next, AI that remembers everything for you. Imagine having a perfect, searchable memory of everything you've seen or heard on your computer. That's Rewind AI, a digital memory for your Mac. It records your screen and audio, then makes it all searchable using advanced compression and OCR. Missed a detail in a Zoom call? Just search keywords and Rewind finds the exact moment. It's like scrolling back in time to any conversation, document, or website. Privacy? All data stays on your device, nothing goes to the cloud. The tech is efficient. Months of recordings take up little space, and the OCR reads text from anywhere, web pages, PDFs, even videos. Audio is transcribed, so meetings and calls are fully searchable. No more frantic note-taking or digging through folders. Just search and find. Instantly. It's a superpower for anyone who lives on their computer. You can recall feedback, find slides, or revisit client calls in seconds. It changes how you interact with digital info. No more worrying about saving everything. You're free to focus, knowing you can always rewind. It's Mac only for now, but it's lightweight and runs quietly in the background. The trade-off? A perfect digital memory that augments your entire workflow. Rewind isn't just another app, it's a universal search layer for your life. It's not about replacing notes or files, but making everything instantly accessible. For knowledge workers, it's transformative. You'll never lose track of important info again. It's a safety net for your brain. The future of memory is searchable. Rewind is bold, ambitious, and incredibly useful. If you work on a Mac, this is a must-have. The way we remember is about to change. Next. AI video creation. No camera required. Let's see how. Video creation is tough. Cameras, mics, editing, and being on camera. Synthesia AI removes all those barriers. Type a script, pick an avatar, and Synthesia generates a video of that avatar speaking your words. No camera, no mic, no recording needed. The process is simple. Write your script. Choose from 150 plus avatars, pick a voice, and add backgrounds or overlays. Supports 120 plus languages and accents. The avatars look natural, lip syncing, facial expressions, and subtle movements. It's not perfect, but it's good enough for training, marketing, and explainer videos. Need to update a policy? Edit the text and regenerate. No reshoots. Create personalized videos at scale in any language. I made a software tutorial, wrote the script, added screen recordings, and had a pro video in minutes. It's not replacing YouTubers or actors, but it's perfect for clear, efficient communication. It replaces boring screencasts and low-budget corporate videos. Anyone who can write a script can now make videos. It democratizes video creation. Synthesia turns text into a visual medium. Fast. It's revolutionizing business video content. The workflow improvement is massive. If you need to make videos, this is a game changer. No camera? No problem. Next. The AI assistant we've always wanted. Now, the mind blower. AI as your true digital assistant. Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant are fine for timers and trivia, but they're limited and disconnected. The new ChatGPT with advanced voice and vision is a leap forward. You can talk to it naturally, interrupt, change topics, and it responds instantly. It detects your tone, laughs, sings, and adapts its voice. The real magic? Combine voice with vision and actions. Point your phone at anything. ChatGPT sees and understands in real time. It can tutor you, translate menus, or help debug code by looking at your screen. This is real-time, multimodal interaction, like something out of sci-fi. But it goes further. ChatGPT can control your apps and services. Ask it to draft an email, book appointments, or summarize messages. It does it. It integrates with your calendar, files, and more, becoming your digital hub. Imagine, what's my day look like? It checks your schedule, suggests actions, and even messages your team if you're running late. It's proactive, context-aware, and anticipates your needs. This is the assistant we were promised, seeing, hearing, acting, and understanding. It's not just a voice, it's the interface for your digital life. Siri and Alexa are command-based. ChatGPT is conversational and flexible. It's not just better, it's a total replacement. The gap is huge. It feels like a different era. This is the future of personal computing. ChatGPT is the universal interface we've been waiting for. It's happening now. The way we interact with technology is about to change forever. The assistant is finally here. It's not just smart, it's truly helpful. Welcome to the new era. Let's wrap up. There you have it. 5 AI tools that are fundamentally changing how we work and live. From Gamma automating presentations to Perplexity redefining research, Rewind giving us perfect memory, Synthesia democratizing video, and ChatGPT as a true assistant, the pace of innovation is staggering. These tools eliminate tedious work, letting us focus on creativity and strategy. It's a shift from operator to director with AI as your co-pilot. The question isn't if AI will change your workflow, but how fast you'll adapt. This is just the beginning. AI will only get more powerful and integrated. Which tool are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more future tech insights. Thanks for watching. See you in the next ShahabIT video.